Hello everyone, I'm David Cox and I'm a member of the Raleigh City Council in Raleigh, North Carolina. In a few weeks, on February 4th, a rezoning request will be coming before Raleigh City Council concerning a property at the corner of Falls of Neuse Road and Raven Ridge Road in North Raleigh. A number of people have requested information about this rezoning request, and I wanted to take some time tonight to explain how to go to the city's website and to find the rezoning request. The request itself is quite large, consisting of about 69 pages of information. In subsequent videos, I will explain in more detail the content of what's in the rezoning request. For tonight, though, I wanted you to be able to have some information so that you can go to the website and find the request yourself and begin reading through the material that's there. To start, you can begin with any browser. This can be your browser on your computer, or it can be a browser on your phone or your tablet. And what you do is you type into the address bar up here at the top, raleighnc.gov, and you'll navigate to a page that looks like this. Something that I wanted to bring to your attention is over here in the upper right hand corner is a button. It looks like a magnifying lens. This is for searching the website, and what I want you to do is to click this button, and then you'll be able to enter in some search terms in order to find the rezoning request. Clicking this button, you will be presented with another page that includes a text box for entering in some keywords in order to search the website. What I want you to do is type in the words current development activity as you see here on this page. Here I've typed in current development activity, and once I've typed that in, I can click the search button in order to get some results that will take me to the page that contains the rezoning request. Clicking search brings me to this search results page, and on this page you will notice the very first item says current development activity. That is the result that we want, and what you do is you click on that, and that will take you to the current development activity page. You will notice at the top of the page there are a number of text boxes, and the one that you want is down here, and it's called zoning cases. What you want to do is click on the zoning cases, and you will be taken to a new screen that lists all the active zoning cases that are currently on file with the city. It happens that the zoning request for Falls of Neuse Road and Raven Ridge Road is the first one on the page, and that's the one that we're interested in. Over here on the left is the case number for the zoning request. For Falls of Neuse and Raven Ridge, the case number is Z1516, Z standing for zoning. What you want to do is click on Z1516 because it is a link, and that will take you to the zoning request itself, which happens to be a PDF file, a 69-page PDF file. After clicking on the link, you will be presented with the contents of the PDF file. And here you will see page 1, page 2, and part of page 3 displayed on the screen. You can zoom in on these pages in order to view them better. Here I've zoomed in on the first page, and you will notice that it says Raleigh Planning Commission Certified Recommendation. When a zoning request works its way through the city, one of the places it goes to is the Planning Commission that considers the case, and then they make a recommendation to the City Council about whether they think the zoning request should be approved or whether it should be denied. It happens in this case that no recommendation was made. The commission itself was split, and with half the commission thinking it should be approved and half the commission thinking it should be denied. So technically it comes to City Council with no recommendation. This is the first page of 69 pages worth of information, and I encourage you to work your way through this to begin to understand the material that's in this. What I will do in subsequent videos is come back to this document and go through it and discuss the key points of this zoning request that I think will be important to everyone that's interested in it. So that's all I have for tonight for this video. I hope it is helpful. Bring up your browser, go to raleighnc.gov, and when you're there, be sure to search for current development activity, and that will bring you to the proper page where you can find the zoning request. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email is david.cox@raleighnc.gov. Feel free to reach out to me, and I will be happy to get back to you. Thank you, and have a good night.